I find that a large reason for young new RP men failing to take the material provided here by some of the wisest men online and actually achieving is due to them simply worrying about what the outside world will think of them. That bending some rules in their favor is beneath them. Listen here. The most successful people on this planet, including Jeff Bezos' ex-wife, do not give an utter care about how they achieve it. The entire world is simply many clearly defined systems and rules that all work together to limit you from going anywhere. Imagine a game of poker or blackjack. Most people will say that it is just luck or that luck is the primary factor in the game. This is nonsense, and you know it. Just like poker, the world does not have luck, it has probability. Luck of the draw is simply a term that defines your starting point, everything else is how you play your cards. Unlike poker though, the rules of life can be argued, bent, and even broken. Do you seriously think the people in power didn't break every rule in the book to get their hands on the biggest scam in the world? I am talking about the United States dollars printing press here. Basically, this life is a maze built by people at the top to reduce competition from the bottom. Some people find the exist by wasting their entire life trying every single option. But guess what? Thanks to RP, thanks to hundreds of books and billions of gigabytes of data online on finance, stocks, success, federal law, etc., you don't have to try every option. This is why you are here, correct? The reason you are still on this sub and not taking action is because you think that you can simply read and absorb this into your being somehow. False. Back to the maze example. Using the material out there and here, you can increase your odds of success. This is what we are doing. By counting the cards, observing patterns, and trying what has already been proven to work, you can increase your odds of success an infinite number of times. In other words, climb the walls of the maze and look to find where the finish is. Once you know the end goal, which TRP clearly outlines, you can take concrete steps towards it. But we all know this. Conclusion, you just still think that you aren't that kind of guy. You don't need to be savage. You don't need to embody the hunter you were born to be by evolution thousands of years ago. You can play it safe, play it cool, and play by the rules. Guess what? No one who wins plays by the rules. We bend them to their limits. We go against the grain. The trick is to keep the rules from breaking in a way that gets you in prison. There is no such thing as a dream job. A dream girl. An American dream. Because it's a goddamn dream. Pick the career that you know you are predisposed by biology to excel at. You are good at math? Be the top accountant of all time. Good at arguing? Be the top dog attorney that puts Harvey Specter to shame. Oh, you don't like law school? Take it like a man, do you want to win? The guy printing your money obviously does. We love to bash the guys on Wall Street for making dirty money by using your money to make them money. Do you think they care? Pick the cream of the crop girls. Oh, she won't take the bait? Well, maybe your bait is not good and you're gonna need to take a few hundred L's and walk through some tough roads before your bait is any good. Elevate your odds of winning above the competition. That is the key to RP. This isn't a guaranteed win, this is a game plan, a strategy, a cheat code to make your life better, but you still need to beat the damn game cheat codes or not. Or you can quit. Think about it. Do you think that someone like Jeff Bezos became rich because he had a brilliant idea? No. He simply crushed the competition, outsued the government, walked on every fool's head who was in his way. Alphas are made, not born. And they aren't made through some fair game. To be the top dog of this world in the sexual marketplace, you are gonna need to be non-standard. Your approach is gonna have to stand out, be unique, and sometimes you're gonna have to sideline some simp who isn't worth your time. Stop getting so sentimental. Oh, you had to drop a plate? Drop it like it's hot. There are no strings attached in any of this. The only string out there is the one that is keeping you from dying, and it's gonna break.